Human development is based on certain principle. Which of the following is not a principle of human development? First, continuity. Second, sequentiality. Third, general to specific. Fourth, reversible. Answer is fourth, that is reversible. So you have to learn this question very carefully and properly. And now we go to our next question, which is Piaget principle is related to what? First, psychological development. Second, cognitive development. Third, physical development. Fourth, emotional development. Answer is second, which is cognitive development. So this is also very important question to learn and learn it carefully. And next question is, Sita has learned to eat rice and dal with her hand. When she is given the land rice, she makes rice and dal and starts eating. She has dash eating rice and dal into her schema for doing things. First, accommodated. Second, assimilated. Third, appropriated. Fourth, initiated. Answer is assimilated. So this is very important question. Next question is, fitting new information into existing schemes is known as what? First, accommodation. Second, equilibration. Third, assimilation. Fourth, organization. Answer is assimilation, and that is also a very important question to learn. Now we go to our next question, that is also very important. There are individual variation in the rate of motor development, yet the sequence of motor development is from dash of dash. First, cephalodical proximodistal. Second, proximodistal cephalocaudal. Third, gross motor development, fine motor development. Fourth, fine motor development, gross motor development. Answer is third. Third, that is gross motor development and fine motor development. So this is a very lengthy question, but can come into your exams also. So we move to our next question, and subscribe to our channel. Next question is, according to Jean Piaget schema, modifying new information to fit existing schemes and by modifying old schemes as per new information, these two processes are known as first, accommodation and adaptation, assimilation and adaptation, equilibration and modification, assimilation and accommodation. Answer is fourth. Next question is, the period that initiates heat transition to adulthood is dash. First, adolescence. Second, middle operational. Third, pre-operational period. Fourth, and childhood. Answer is 1, that is adolescence. So subscribe to our channel and like the video if you liked it. Next question is, toe age refers to what? That is a very small question but very important. First is early childhood. Second, late childhood. Third, babyhood. Fourth, all of these. So answer is 1, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and this answer is early childhood. Please like our video. Next question is, which of the following statement is not appropriate to motivation as a process? First, it causes a person to move toward a goal. Second, it satisfies the person's biological need. It helps in achieving a psychological ambition. Fourth, it keeps away from an unpleasant situation. Answer is fourth, it keeps away from an unpleasant situation. Next question is, a child writes with her left hand and is comfortable doing things with it. He should be first, discouraged. Second, made to write with the left hand. Third, allow his preference. Fourth, sent to seek medical help. Answer is C, that is allow his preference. Next question is, which of the following is not a sign of being gifted? First, curiosity. Second, creativity. Third, poor relationship with peers. Fourth, interest in extra reading. Answer is C, that is poor relationship with peers. This is not a sign of being gifted, and all other are being gifted. So next question, which is, language of word is not necessary for what? First, imaginative thinking. Second, conceptual thinking. Third, associative thinking. Fourth, perspectual thinking. Answer is 1, which is imaginative thinking. So guys, please subscribe to our channel. Please, this is a request for you. Next question is, which indicates the change in the quality or character of a child? First, growth. Second, development. Third, learning. Fourth, environment. This is a question for you, and comment this question answer if you are studying B.Ed first year MCQ. So this question is very easy for you all of. Next question is, single factor theory of intelligence was given by dash. First, Alfred Binet. Second, Thorndike. Third, Freeman. Fourth, none of them. Answer is 1, which is Alfred Binet. He was the very good person. Next question. Who is the father of theory of multiple intelligence? First Gardner, second Vygotsky, third Brunner, fourth Piaget. That is Gardner, not Piaget. So note this, because everyone should write Piaget in this, but Gardner was the father. Now we move to another question. Who gives more stress to the philosophy of social constructivism? First Piaget, second Kohlberg, third Vygotsky, fourth Dewey. The answer is Vygotsky, that is third. So this is also a hard question and will come into your exam. Next question. Reflex action states ranges from first birth to 30 days only, second birth to 6 months only, third birth to 2 weeks only, fourth birth to 6 weeks. So answer is one, which is birth to 30 days only. So now we move to our next question. Next question is, learning depends on consecutive development. Then answer is first always, second sometimes, third never, fourth in calculation. The answer is first, which is a very easy question. That answer is always. So guys, we will be uploading every time MCQs of B.Ed first years. Now next question. Sucking an object is a strong activity in first reflex action or activity stage, second stage of primary circular reaction, third stage of secondary circular reaction, fourth stage of secondary circular reaction. Answer is first reflex action or activity stage. Next question. The best place of a social development for a 12-year-old child is first neighborhood, second family, third playground, fourth school. The answer is C, which is the playground. This playground is the best place of social development for a 12-year-old child. Next question is, stage of coordination of secondary schemata ranges from first 9 to 10 months, second 8 to 12 months, third 10 to 12 months, fourth 6 to 12 months. The answer is second, which is 8 to 12 months. So you have to learn these all questions very carefully. It will to your exam. Now next question. Select the educable group of students from the following group indicated different IQ levels. First 50 to 70, second 30 to 50, third 70 to 90, fourth 40 to 80. Answer is first, which is 50 to 70. Okay students, learn this question very carefully. Next question. In which stage reflex action of children changes by their feeling and experience? First stage of secondary circular reaction, second stage of secondary circle schemata, third stage of primary circular reaction, fourth none of these. But answer is third, which is stage of primary circular reactions. Next question now. IQ scores are generally correlated with academic performance. First least, second perfectly, third highly, fourth moderately. Answer is third, which is highly. So guys, if you like it, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. We will be uploading regularly videos of B.Ed first year MCQ. So comment also on suggestion.